This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. All is well. Let's take a look at how we can use the Ultimate Muathe Breakout in timing quality breakouts as far as IPOs are concerned. So you can use this as far as IPOs are concerned, and for those trading the crypto market as far as ICOs are concerned. It's the same thing. Now, we can see here that because we don't have a fully developed indicators as far as the RSI is concerned on the monthly for this IPO, then clearly there's no way we could have used the monthly chart to identify an entry as far as a breakout is concerned for this chart. Now, I should have mentioned at the very onset of this short educational video that the stock is up 175% for the month of July 2020. That's a nice move. So because the monthly chart is not fully developed, it's a very simple adjustment. What you do is you go to the next mature time frame, which in this case we can take a look at the weekly chart. Now, as far as the weekly chart is concerned, we see that there was enough data on the weekly to generate mature RSI and MACD drawings. And this is where now we can use the Ultimate Muathe Breakout. In other words, you can use the Ultimate Muathe Breakout in the same way you use it for a mature stock, by using it for an IPO or let's say an ICO, by identifying the most mature time frame. So here we did not have a mature monthly chart, so that's off, but we have a mature weekly chart. So this is the time frame to use. Hope that makes sense. Find the most mature time frame you can use where the indicators are fully developed. So let's say if the weekly chart in this instant was not fully developed, then we go investigate the daily. If the daily is not fully developed, then we go investigate the hourly to find the minimum requirements. Now, because we have a fully developed RSI and MACD on the weekly, we can use the weekly, which is the point. How do you use the same method on IPOs? And that's how you do it. Find the most mature time frame that you can use, and here the weekly is fully developed. So let's go and see where the Ultimate Muathe Breakout lands us, and we can see there is a weekly closing high right there, which would have been used as our breakout trigger right here. That was at about 750. So as the stock is coming to break out here, you can take a look. The RSI definitely was moving to new high ground. So that meets the minimum requirements as far as our RSI requirements are concerned. That's good. And if we take a look at the same time frame, the MACDs were also fully developed. So take a look at what the MACDs were doing here in this time frame. You see that both MACDs did jump to fresh highs. And because of this, we can see a clear confirmation that the Ultimate Muathe Breakout, with a slight adjustment by going to the most mature time frame, could have landed you into this stock just as it began to move. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love and light, light and love. Namaste.